Welcome back to MKH Garden. Today we are putting in a full day of hard work to clean, shape and refresh our growing garden. We start by removing weeds, then move on to pruning and shaping many of our flower and fruit trees. Some of them have grown too wild and need some serious attention. Let's begin. Here, in the corner of the garden, I use a hoe to remove it from around the bases of two important flower trees, bougainvillea and picoma stands. During the rainy season, weeds, uh, weeds grow very fast and crowd the base of the trees. Cleaning around them helps improve air circulation and keeps the roots healthy. It also makes the garden look much tidier and more open. Now we move to pruning, and for that I'm using an axe. Some of these trees have grown tall and out of control. First up is the Madagascar plum tree. I trim off several unwanted branches that have become too dense, allowing light to reach the inner parts and improving the tree shape. Right next to it is the golden shower tree. It bran- its branches are reaching in all directions, so I cut away the excess to guide its form and promote upward growth. Next, we work on bunga trees, also known for their beautiful blooms. This tree is still developing, but its lower branches need to be pruned to help it grow taller and stronger. Now go to the fruit tree. This one is growing wide with many small branches that compete with each other. Nearby is the rambutan tree. It is still young, so we don't need to cut any branch. Here's our jackfruit tree. It's healthy, but getting a bit too thick in the middle. I will trim it later. Next are two Meloderum fruticosum tree. Sorry if I Say I pronounce. Sorry, is my pronunciation with the tree name is wrong because the tree name is difficult for me to pronounce. Moving on, we prune the flamboyant tree. It has beautiful wide branches, but need control early on to avoid becoming too heavy. Next is the Tabi Bui Aurea. Tabi Bui Aurea tree, a lovely tree with golden yellow flowers. I shape its canopy to make it more balanced and allow better airflow. Then comes the Cassia javanica. It's growing tall and slender, but I trim the lower branches to strengthen the trunk and prepare it for flowering season. Here is the blackboard tree, also known for its fast vertical growth. I shape its main trunk and cut away side branches to support straight upward growth. We come back to another bougainvillea. This one is very active with wild branches, so I carefully trim it to give a nice dome shape and encourage more blooming. And finally, the lemon tree. This little tree has strong potential, but it needs shaping to avoid growing too wild. I remove the overlapping branches and give it room to breathe. After hours of hard work, removing weeds, pruning, and shaping, we can already see a big difference. The garden looks cleaner, more organized, and peaceful. It's always satisfying to see progress, even though we know this is just one step in a long journey. There's still a lot more to do, but that's what makes garden so rewarding. Thanks for watching and supporting MKH Garden. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow our journey step by step. Thank you.